Automatic bricklaying robot. Brick was and still is one of the most demanded materials for construction. For centuries, people have built brick walls by hand. First, they put the first layer of bricks, then a layer of mortar, then another layer of bricks, and so on and so forth. But don't forget that we now use robots in different areas of our lives, and soon even the most common processes may change. There are already robots that can lay bricks on their own. They're being tested and refined. On your screen, you can see the brainchild of the British company Construction Automation. The robot, originally designed to lay bricks and mortar, can also work with concrete blocks. The robot was developed in 4 years. Right now, it's building its first house. The company states that the robot significantly increases the speed of construction and the safety of the people on the site, and the finished construction boasts excellent quality. Gecko SPX532. If you're worried about the robot uprising, you should start taking deep breaths right now. Because the SPX532 mini crane from the Italian company Gecko looks like it came out straight from a sci-fi movie. However, there's nothing to be worried about. It might look like a huge metal scorpion, but only on the outside. In fact, the Gecko SPX532 is very useful and practical. The small crane is ideal for working in confined space. It can be used for installation of metal structures, formwork and glazing. When folded, it's less than 2 meters high and just over 1 meter wide. This means that it can be used even indoors, as it easily fits into the doorway. Its compact size also ensures that the mini crane is easy to store. At the same time, as we said before, it's suitable for a wide range of tasks, all thanks to its 14.8 meter boom reach. The maximum lifting height is 17.3 meters. The load capacity reaches 2.3 tons. Note that the manufacturer offers other similar models. They differ in lifting capacity and boom length, but their design is also very convenient. Atlant 6000. Construction and repair works consist of much more than simply building and installing things. Sometimes, before you create something new, you need to destroy something old. And the Atlant 6000 is the perfect robot for dismantling works. It was created in Russia by CCT Malanin, and it's a remote control machine for special operations. The Atlant 6000 can work with a wide range of attachments, weighing up to a ton, making it an extremely versatile vehicle. For example, it can be equipped with a bucket, a hydraulic hammer, a concrete hammer, a milling cutter, a grapple, a saw, a grabber, and a planer attachment. And this is just part of the list. The working radius of the Atlant is 7.5 meters vertically and 6.3 meters horizontally. The turret rotates 360 degrees, allowing the operator to perform tasks without having to move the base. You're probably wondering where this robot is used. Of course, it can easily handle the removal of reinforced concrete structures. However, since there's no cab and the operator controls the machine remotely, Atlant is perfect for different operations in dangerous places. For example, for the demolition of hazardous structures or in areas with chemical damage. By the way, the control panel range is 200 meters. Rammer BTR-78Y. Before any construction works, the site must be properly cleaned and prepared. One of the stages of this procedure is alignment. It can be performed with a special hands tool. However, it'll be even better if you use the Rammer BTR78Y, a machine from the Belgian company Beton Trowel that will save you time and effort. It's a compact but at the same time powerful tool that compacts and quickly levels the ground layer. The ground level changes right in front of your eyes. Exac 1 Curb Grip. Curbs are installed all over the world every day, even though they have many drawbacks. The first one is, of course, its weight. Secondly, it doesn't always have a convenient shape, which makes it difficult to move and install. Fortunately, all the problems can be solved with a single attachment. Curb Grip is a series of special grabs for excavators. They're produced by the British company Exac 1. Their shape and operating principle were developed to make it possible to pick up curbs of any shape, no matter how complex. The jaws securely fix the product, but they do it gently so as to not damage the surface. The video shows the work of both models in the series, the KSG80 and the KSG400. The first one is designed for loads from 1.5 to 10 tons. The maximum opening distance of the jaws is 16.5 centimeters. But the second model is larger and more powerful. It's designed for loads weighing from 3 to 14 tons. The maximum width of its jaws reaches 40 centimeters. The Wacker-Neuson ET90. It's time to talk about larger equipment. The ET90 from the German company Wacker-Neuson is a tracked conventional tail excavator. Its main advantages are compactness, maneuverability, and easy maintenance. The manufacturer guarantees precise, sensitive control, and most importantly, fuel economy. The ET90 consumes 20% less fuel when compared to similar models from other manufacturers. At the same time, it surpasses them in digging force by 20% as well. As a result, the bucket cuts deeper into the ground, taking out more material in each cycle. The bucket has an increased angle of rotation of 200 degrees to prevent material loss. If you compare the ET90 with other models, it has a much smaller height and width in order to simplify transportation. The machine can be easily transported even on narrow roads and low passages. The Hilti SFE2A12. Here is today's last tool, which greatly facilitates the work of builders. It is a cordless drill driver with an amazing combination of compactness, power, and versatility. The SFE2A12 from Hilti was introduced this autumn. It can easily reach between 400 and 1600 RPM. The torque ranges from 21 to 34 Newton meters. The tool is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Thanks to the rotating head, it's ideal to work in tight spaces and difficult-to-reach areas. Precise torque control is ensured. The light weight of about 660 grams allows for less fatigue during operation.